The new Audi he's about to get.
Whatever. What up? What up, y'all? What up?
What's happening, folks?
We got the crew together again.
Got the big money.
Right. Got all the big money in the house.
Let me look.
Got Rennie, Tommy, Woo. Of course, I'm in the building.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What you, Tommy? What you gonna say?
They're not talking about me when they say big money. Crab foods.
All lies. All
Whatever.
All lies.
Whatever. Hey, we're just back here with another quick install on
Sir,
Black Beauty again.
Got Black Beauty. I got a gripe with Harley-Davidson because I shouldn't have to buy this because this should come with a bike. But I ain't gonna say how much I paid, but
Y'all know.
this right here.
Right.
That's all
For
right.
y'all that be trying to steal people's bikes, that's gonna help us come find you a little quicker. So don't do it. Don't do it.
Right, because you gonna meet Smith and Wesson. But yeah, today we're gonna add the horn to it, Siren, be a little legit. So I'm gonna unplug the main fuse.
Oh, he doing that.
Like he just eating and smoking.
No, they should be working on it.
Unplug the
Okay.
main
We're
fuse.
playing the main fuse. All right, Dexter.
up, killer?
Dexter want to
Say,
be
hey,
in the
killer.
mix. Come here, Dex. Come here. He want to be in the mix. So, what you got there? Let's see what it look like. Okay.
Genuine parts, baby.
All right.
sir.
A little plug and play. Okay.
You know, Tommy gave me a couple dollars to buy it. You know.
Yeah, I did. I did give him a couple of dollars.
8.
Exactly.
So it's simple.
Hold on. Where'd you unplug that from?
Hey, right?
I don't know. I've never done this before. Show me.
Hey, brother, I thought you was paying attention, cameraman, but you ain't paying attention. Right here on the 2014 and later, it's up in your right corner. Simple. Pow.
Okay.
Box. Come here, Dexter.
Dexter, come here. Get back. Get back.
That's what
Sorry, the dogs want to be in it.
As
Okay.
you see,
Just plug it in.
direct
Alright.
plug and play. You got a slot. Gotta get out on his bad knee.
Uh-oh. Y'all pray we can get them back up. We're going to get them back up.
We can pick them back up.
Dexter, get back. Okay.
The
Dior.
kids love me.
Come here,
Yeah.
Dior. Come here.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Come here, girl.
Yep.
Oh, that's lit right up
Yep.
there.
It's made for it.
It's made for it.
Yeah.
So if you can see it, just pull the tab. If you folks want to pull it out, the tab right here.
Okay.
Come here, Dexter.
Dexter, get back.
Pull that right in place. You ain't got to worry about tucking it.
It's locked in there.
Lock right in there.
Okay. Can you take it back out? Pull it back out so we can show it. Pull it back out.
The Mississippi grips.
Okay. And
Fits
it
right in
slides
there.
right back out.
Right in there.
All right.
A little
Simple
slot.
plug and play.
That way it ain't just hanging.
Rattling around.
Yep.
Okay.
There we go.
You can see the puppies all in the mix. All right, now let's put that fuse in, see what it do. Come here. Okay.
Lights are on.
Now the lights are back on.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Now we're gonna turn it off. Turn back on, see if it'll make some noise.
Ain't in business.
Yeah.
All right, turn it.
In business.
That's that big money sound.
Now turn it back on.
So,
Turn it off.
Hear that?
Oh. Okay. What's wrong?
there we go.
Okay.
There we go. Radio.
All right.
Going on. We just had to power it back up.
Yeah, everything got to power back up. Simple install.
Yeah.
All right. Tommy, Randy, when y'all finna order y'all? Y'all gonna pick y'all's up?
Well, it's gonna be a while.
Besides-
It'll be a while.
Oh, man.
Unless
We'll wait and see what the new CVO colors look like.
Oh,
Well,
okay. And the alarm works on all of them.
you can turn me on to some of them Tonys that
Oh.
live in this neighborhood.
Hey, man, where you get that hat at, man? I like that hat, that beard culture, man.
That's right.
You know,
know,
we support our brother.
I got to.
Who?
You know, every Tuesday,
Every Tuesday.
3:45.
Hey, he got that merch, y'all. Check him out, beardculture.com. All right. Woo. We all good?
Yeah, we good. Just
All right.
gonna button her back up and get her back right.
Okay. And I purchased this little stand right here. Hey, I like it. You know, keeps your stuff up off the ground. You know, it is a little Harley-Davidson part, but hey.
When you got money, you can, any gadget, he can buy.
Whatever. All right, y'all. We out.
Hey. Peace.
HD.